One, two, three. Hello FM, good morning, namaste, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, khamagani, bonjour. I'm feeling very upbeat this morning, and I think that the reason I'm feeling very upbeat this morning, it's strange that I'm feeling upbeat this morning because I literally could not leave the bed yesterday. I actually didn't land up taking a bath yesterday because I was cramping all day and I was in so much pain. I literally tried to do some email work. Yesterday was Saturday, today is Sunday. I was doing email work, admin work yesterday, and post lunch I came into bed and I literally just did not leave my bed till this morning. So I woke up around 8 a.m. this morning, took a shower, naha waha ke बैठी हूँ मैं यहाँ पे. But I'm surprised that I'm feeling so upbeat because I was in pain and cramping all day yesterday. I got my period last night and like late last evening, and I feel like एक बार वो आ जाता है ना फिर मैं ठीक हूँ. But the precursor to it is very painful. Anyway, today is Sunday and I thought I would take you along with me through my Sunday. There's not too much happening, but it's my dad's birthday and I'm going to go to meet my nanny earlier in the day. So I'm going to take you with me through the course of the day. I spent all of yesterday, okay, I'm like TT, okay? I don't know why I said TT twice. I basically meant to say, here's the tea. Really high on energy, have not eaten anything. Don't know how I have this much energy. क्या कह रही थी मैं? Here's the tea. So yesterday, because I was in bed and because I didn't want to feel unproductive at the end of the day, my eye is bothering me just a little bit. Why is my eye bothering me just a little? Oh god, I shouldn't. And sorry mama will look at me like itching my eye while I have a lens in and she's gonna freak out. I forgot what I was saying. Yesterday, even though I was in bed and cramped up, I didn't want to feel like I was having a completely unproductive, useless day. So I sat and just watched YouTube all day yesterday. I don't do this often enough. And I ended up discovering a whole bunch of new like international vloggers and I'm feeling very inspired. You guys know, I think I mentioned this in my previous vlog, that I am planning to switch up and get like a good vlog camera. And I realized the vlog camera I've had on my wish list is being used by a lot of these vloggers, which is really cool. It kind of validates that हाँ मैं सही दिशा में सोच रही हूँ. I'm planning to get that maybe first week in May. I mean the lockdown is happening here, so if it gets extended then I guess me getting it will get delayed also, but you guys are gonna get a lot more vlogs and a lot of video content ideas that I've been writing. And then yesterday I went like crazy writing down video ideas for you guys as well. I'm just feeling very inspired basically. Nashta this morning is cheese omelette. I love it. If you guys are into omelette, you've never added cheese, please do it. It is life-changing. Very, very, very important to do for the day. One of my cousins who is currently like back in this side of the city, she's staying in Bandra again for a while. She's at her mom's. She's pregnant and wants some makeup. And I've been meaning to do this for her for the past week and I've been forgetting or I've been getting busy. I'm totally used to my friends and family just calling me and saying, hey, I want so, stock me up. And I'm very happy to do that because there's a lot of excess. I always believe in sharing when you can. So I am gonna sit and make a little bag for her so that she can take back home when she goes back to her sasural because it's makeup time for her. Okay, so I remember that she wanted mascara, so I've put two of them inside. There's a brand new plum kajal over here that I'm sure she'll like because plum kajals are really good. There are 2-3 lipsticks that I'm putting in here. I think even though she doesn't need more, she hasn't asked for much, I just like to throw in some extras because then I know for sure she's well stocked. Almost forgot she wanted a liner as well, so I'm putting in that this Asfa Halal liner for her too. Also, whenever I do my makeup, like you guys see me do my makeup in like videos, I'm looking like a completely useless, reckless thing now with like my hair is a complete mess and I'm clearly not very well groomed at the moment. But whenever I'm doing my makeup videos, I have all of my makeup in trays like this and then invariably sometimes I forget to put things back into place, so I definitely need to do that right now also. I have
the amazing Jackie Aina, incredible makeup artist.
Hey, go and wash your face, it's oily. I sprayed this hydrating toner on him and he ran away. His face is so oily sometimes. Okay, no jokes, no matter how often I'm washing my hair these days, I'm also sweating in it so easily, which is really not normal for me because I'm someone who doesn't sweat a lot. But my hair is like, you know that little bugging sensation when you can just feel the sweat crawling across your scalp? I'm using the Batiste dry shampoo. This is in the Fruit and Cheeky Cherry fragrance and it smells really nice and fruity. Yeah. Not sponsored, just genuinely taking you along whatever I'm doing. A lot of you also tend to ask me where these colorful scrunchies are from that I'm wearing in my head a lot of late. These are all from Odd Giraffe. They're an Indian brand. They make in India. I like who owns them. Karan's a great guy. He's given me some solid advice about a bunch of things recently. And it's just a brand that I've actually been supporting for a while now. They were kind enough to donate a couple of, I think, 100 notebooks to What Went My Wardrobe back 2 years ago, I think. So I really appreciate their ethic and I like supporting brands that support good causes. And they're just nice brands, even just from a consumer product point of view. I look messy, but let's ignore that for a second. Jerry and I are just about to sit and have lunch together. Aaj khane mein Nelly Nihari hai. We're having mutton today. I don't know if you can relate, if you live with siblings, family, boyfriend, husband, I don't know, roommate. Can you relate to the fact that we just don't have things we like to watch in common? My hair is distracting me. It is looking so bad and messy. And
no, it's looking beautiful.
No, it's not.
Yes, of course it is.
Get back to the point, mister. We never have things to watch in common. We need to start watching things together.
Sure. Let's watch this, Shadow and Bone.
Shadow and Bone? Are you just randomly picking the trailer that started on Netflix because I switched on Netflix?
No, it seems like interesting stuff.
It's on mute. How can you tell that
I
it's...
can read the captions, I can look at the images.
I'm at the signal, which is why I'm vlogging. I literally just missed the signal. Anybody over here who also drives, who gets like just a tad pinch of like, I missed the green signal by like 2 seconds. But always follow road rules. I'm at the signal right now, going to pick up mom and then taking her to Nani's house. I take her once a week. Sometimes she likes to go twice a week to check in on Nani because Nani lives all alone and loves her space. She doesn't want to come and live with us, so that's that. Going to check on her, take some food for her and all that jazz.
That's what.
Hi! 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 Can I get hugs? Hi, baby. Oi! Sorry, my hand hit you. Hi, baby. Kisses. Ting. Ting. These two funky monkeys have been sitting in a corner playing Roblox. Addicts, addicts, addicts. Shoulder up. And breath. And remove. Tongue out. You got it. Change. Angry face.
Shall we show?
What do you want to do? What do you want to do? What?
Ow.
1, 2, 3.
Ow. Nothing else.
5, 6, 7, 8. Ow. She was saying 9, 10 because I said 5, 6, 7, 8 and then she went 9, 10. So I didn't say anything. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again you said 9?
Ow.